Welcome to Giovanni Music and Performance Academy. This morning I'll be taking you through a topic, musical notes and rest. And we'll be taking you through the part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4 of the musical notes and rest. So today we'll deal with the introductory part of the musical notes. One thing I want you to know is that musical sounds are written down by the musical symbols or notes, which shows their duration or length. Okay, so all musical sounds are written down by what? Musical symbols. So these symbols are what we're going to talk about today, and the most important part of these symbols, which we must take note, is their duration or their length. Okay, because their duration or their length help us to sing or write the correct musical sound. Okay, so there are 6 musical notes. There are 6 musical notes. And they are 1, semi-brief, 2, meaning, 3, crochet, 4, quiver, 5, semi-quiver, and the last one, demi, semi-quiver. The first one is the semi-brief, the mini, the crochet, the quiver, semi-quiver, and demi, semi-quiver. So now I want to represent these musical notes on a tabular form. Then we can talk about their real name, their American names, the symbol that represents each musical note, and the value of each musical note. So the first one is, remember, is the semi-brief, which is called the all notes. So when you hear whole notes, it means semi-brief, and the symbol is just like an oval shape, and it's 4 counts. 4 counts. This symbol represents 4 counts. Then the second one is the meaning notes. Meaning notes, all, which means we have half notes. And it is written like this, or. So half notes, and it's the half of 4, 2 counts. 2 counts. The next note is the crochet. The crochet note, which is the quarter note. The quarter note. Beg your pardon. And it is written like this, shaded or this way. So So it's just the half of this one count. One count. And the next is the quaver note. The quaver note, which is the eighth note. The eighth note, and it's like this with a flat or this way, and it's half count. Okay, and the next is the semiquaver. The semiquaver is the 16 note. It has two flats or this. Okay, 16th note. So which is 1/4 count. And the final one is the semi-quaver note, which is the 32nd note. It has three flats. Please don't mind the space. 1, 2, 3. Or you this way. So 1, 16, count. So these are all the basic musical notes you need as a beginner. Okay, the semi-breve, the meaning, crochet, quaver, semi-quaver, and then semi-quaver. Semi-breve is 4 count, 2 count, 1 count, half count, 1/4, 1/4 count, 1/16 count. Okay, so try and study the pictures, the symbols of each musical note, because we're going to use them in the next part, the part 2. Thank you.